Hey there, Jesse from SEO College, and in today's video we're going to be actually doing a review on the Money Robot Submitter tool, and we're actually going to be going into all the aspects of why I think it's the best backlinking software on the market to automate your backlinking process and save you a lot of time from manually backlinking and doing all the work. If you're worried about the Money Robot being black hat, it's not. It's gray hat. It's okay with Google. It ranks my blogs and videos, and it's going to rank yours as well. Make sure to download the 12K per day book, which is in the link in the description, also in the comments below, and watch my secret webinar, which is also in the link in the description and the comments below, which shows you the 7 secrets to making 4-figure days with ClickBank. So make sure to check that out. You definitely don't want to miss that. And with that said, let's jump into this value pack video. We're going to be doing a review on the Money Robot tool, and let's take a look at it.
Hey guys, so we're actually going to do a rundown of the Money Robot, and we're going to actually go into my account here and look at some of the campaigns that I'm actually running at the moment. We're actually going to do a basically a rundown of all of the tabs, and then go into the diagram psychology and learn about how the diagrams work, how you can create your first campaign, and how it's utilized to actually rank both articles, videos, whatever you want, basically.
So as you can see here, I have a series of tabs here, okay? So I have the Make New Campaign tab right here, and then I have the Process window right here, okay? The keyword research tool is right here. So we're going to go over all of these in a few minutes. We have the settings, then we have our live chat that is connected to the support team, which is very respondent. We have the contact us, which is just goes back to the community, and then again we have the community right here. So it's pretty straightforward, the few tabs that we have up here. Right here we have the Money Robot News, so it shows you how many websites are currently being used by the software. We have tutorials, which is just a link back to the it's just back to the community, and then again you get to go into the Facebook group. And then Money Robot Browser, that's something we're going to touch on in a later topic. And then we have latest updates. And then we have access to an online VPS software. So if you want to have your own server, you would just click on this link right here, and then it will bring you to a payment page where you can just buy your own server. So with that said, we're going to take a look and see what the Money Robot has to offer. So as you see down here, I'm actually selecting this project right here, YouTube Money Robot tutorial. As you can see, it's currently running a campaign right now, but I don't want to run this for too much longer. And on the bottom,
as you can see right here, basically you can see the project. It'll show you which project is running, and then it'll show you down here at the bottom left the threads. So how many threads are completed, how much memory is free on your computer. So it'll actually show you how much of your CPU it's actually utilizing at the moment. So you can see down here, and then right here it asks you if there's a proxy. Obviously there's not. Okay. So we're going to go over each of the tabs here. So right here you have your project tab. So this gives you a list of your projects. As you can see, these are some of my projects. You can start a new project. You can actually rename a project right here, or you can delete projects. And then right here we have my account, so you can actually take a look and see what your account consists of. So as you can see, my account here, this is the number that my account is producing at the moment, how many blogs I've ranked, or how many blogs I've utilized, how many 2.0 profiles I've utilized, social, bookmarking, wiki articles, and social posts, and web dictionaries. I haven't used any yet.
Right here you see, you'll see your videos. So if you have any videos that you're ranking, you're going to see that. You're also going to see your videos here too. So you'll see your videos, your social videos right here if you add social media videos, or if you want to rank on YouTube, you're going to see that right here. As you can see, these two are actually ranking at the moment. And then right here you're going to see the traffic. So you'll be able to see, what is coming, what is going,
what is being utilized. Awesome. So we're going to go into our new campaign here, and I'm just going to show you how the campaigns work. So as you can see here, this is the campaign box. So this is where you would create your new campaign if you wanted to create a new campaign. And if you wanted to create a campaign, you can just rename your campaign to, for instance, for me, I'm going to put YouTube, and I'm going to actually rank this video right here. You can literally rank anything. And then right here, it's going to show you everything that is available for your diagrams. And for this specific video, I'm actually going to use the video embedded power. And right here you can see it shows you your diagram setup. Okay, so I'm just going to enlarge that right here. And as you can see, this is the diagram setup. So you have a variety of diagrams plus the diagrams that I give to you, or you can get through the community. I highly recommend downloading my book because I definitely have some secrets that you can learn. Especially if you are running ClickBank offers, I highly recommend checking out the book. It's in the description, also in the comments below. But this is how you would go about looking at some of your diagrams. So as you can see here, the diagram structure is it builds the Web 2.0 blogs all around the money site. And then you have your social bookmarks basically sprinkled around the corners of your network here, and it's all pointing back to either your money site, your article, it could be a video, whatever you want. As you can see here in the middle, that's exactly what it's ranking for. Okay, so if I were to actually go in here and utilize some of these, and we'll go into more of these in a second, but I'll show you some of them. So we have high competition, blog network 2.0. We have low competition. So as you can see, there's not as many 2.0s, and I highly recommend using low competition for easy to rank keywords. High competition would be utilized for maybe weight loss, or if you're going into fitness, or if you're going into money, you can utilize it for that. So we have the low competition 1. We have low competition 2, which is this one right here. It'll just load it up in a minute. Actually, you can't load to server. So here we go. So we have low competition 2. And then we have medium competition, which gives you the web profiles 2.0 tier 2. These are do follow, by the way. And then you have your social shares, which are all pointing to your money site, and then your Web 2.0 blogs. So you have your mid-competition diagrams, and then this one gets a little bit more complicated, more complex. If you're running something like a more complex offer like law of attraction, manifestation, that kind of thing, this would be highly recommended for those mid-tier offers, or if you have any kind of e-commerce offer, this is definitely the diagram that you'd be utilizing. If you wanted to rank something for, let's say, SEO, like a superpower ranker, and you need something more complex for a more competitive keyword, I would recommend using the SEO Power Ranker, which is going to point a bunch of social bookmarkings and Web 2.0 blogs to your money website right here. And basically that's just the gist of it. We'll go over more of the diagrams in later videos, but in this video I just wanted to give you a brief idea of how the diagrams work, and what they look like, right? Okay, so let's say I wanted to rank something. Okay, so I would just put in my URL right here. I'm just going to put in any URL. It doesn't have, just for example purposes, I'm just going to put an URL in here. So as you can see right here, I'm going to put in an URL. So any URL. And then before I go into actually creating, more keywords, I would just minimize this, for instance, and then I would go into my keyword research tool. So right here we have a fully fledged keyword research tool that's akin to the Google Keyword Planner, and it actually pulls data from Google to get you real-time keywords that you can utilize for the Money Robot tool. So as you can see here, it says find the best keywords with the Money Robot keyword tool. Reveal real performing keywords for your site or video in just a couple of seconds. This feature will make sure that you rank for the right keywords that will provide you traffic, which equals to money. You can also use the keywords for website optimization to create content for your website and your video description. Super simple and straightforward to use. So it's not complicated, guys. You don't have to spend 100 years trying to figure out which is the best keywords. I literally just put in a keyword here and then I'm off to the races. So in this case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to look for woodworking project. That's my go-to keyword right there, and then I just click that. So for this example, I'm just going to copy the keyboard. It literally found the keywords that we would be looking for, and related right here are the keywords that are easiest to rank for. It's so easy to just find the keywords that you want. It's plug and play. All you have to do is click copy all of those keywords, copy to clipboard, and then I'm gonna go back into my campaign here. So I'm just gonna hop back into my campaign here, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use super high competition blog. I'm actually going to rename this to a article, or actually money website, and then I'll put my website in here. So looklikeHome.com, and then I'm just gonna plug in those keywords that I just copied from the clipboard, just like that. Very easy. And then what we're going to do is we're actually going to create unique articles. So we create unique articles using the Money Robot article builder, and this is an automated AI tool which automatically creates articles and then utilizes them so you can actually promote your website to these blog 2.0s right here, helping you rank long term. So what we're going to do is we're just going to wait a few minutes. As you can see right here, it's building up the article. And while we're waiting, I'm just going to show you a couple more diagrams here. So we have the diagram that's the video editor. So I know that a lot of people are really into YouTube at the moment. There's a lot of YouTube, basically YouTube videos that people want to rank for, or if you want to do affiliate marketing with YouTube, facelifts videos, whatever, this would help you rank your videos. So you have your video embedded power, and this this diagram is actually going to be available to you in the link in the descriptions, also in the comments. You can grab this one right here. It's called Video Embedded Power, and it'll help you rank any video, okay, any video that you want. So now that the article is created, and as you can see here, it has different words to put variety in. The reason why it does this is because it has to have variety of keywords for the articles. It can't just have one article for every single one of these blogs, so it will create variations of each of these right here, okay? And what we want to do is we want to get this going for
3 days. Okay, we're gonna have it going for 3 days, and then we'll just click submit, and that's it. Okay, so that's pretty much how you create. That's pretty much how you create a campaign. It's very simple, very straightforward. As you can see here, our campaign is going to be running right now, our money website campaign. I'm going to run some more campaigns later, but as you can see here, the process has already started. So it's just started doing that right now. As you can see, it's creating the profiles too. So it has to create different profiles with different names, different variations. It literally does all the submission work for you. This saves you hours and hours and hours of time. So the next thing that we're going to do is we're actually going to go into, we're going to check out the settings, okay? So in the settings here, you see, you can customize the way your money robot works. You can start maximize, you can auto start with Windows, automatically sign you in, and a bunch more. There's also a CAPTCHA service, so you know how there's the CAPTCHA for each of these websites here. So if you run into any issues, it will automatically save the CAPTCHAs, so you don't even have to really worry about the services or anything like that. Proxy, I wouldn't really worry too much about that. Theme is basically, you can change the theme of your money robot to look different. You don't have to have it look like anything else. So this is just cosmetics, but it basically changes the theme of your money robot, and then you have your license right here. So basically, what we're going to do is we're actually going to go into the live chat. I'll show you how the live chat works. So the live chat is literally just a live chat that it brings you to. So the live chat is literally just basically a window that pops up, and then your contact us page, again, that's just another window that pops up there. Basically, if you need assistance or help with that, it just links you to that, and then you basically reach out to them via email. And then finally, we have the community. So the community is actually very active. As you can see here, there's a lot of people that are very active, that are submitting their diagrams, submitting tutorials. There's literally a ton of content here that you can dive into, and we're going to get more into this content later in other videos. I just want to give you an idea of what it looks like. But you can see there's different categories here. We have affiliate marketing, we have different SEO services, but the most active ones, of course, is the internet marketing SEO forum right here, which goes into a lot of the stuff. But a lot of these articles here are just going into diagrams and talking about strategies. I highly recommend you spend some time kind of doing your research and learning a little bit about the articles and the community itself. So definitely check that out. So basically that is it in a nutshell. It's very, very simple to use. If you want to easily rank any campaign, any website, anything, basically the Money Robot tool will help you rank literally anything that you want. And I highly recommend it, especially for ranking affiliate blogs or e-commerce blogs. So if you want to learn a little bit more, I have some more advanced strategies that are available. Just make sure to click the link in the description. Also, check out the webinar that I've created where I share the 7 secrets that you can utilize to create the 4-figure days with ClickBank, utilizing the Money Robot tool and other various strategies. So I'm going to go into depth and give you some insider secrets onto how to actually rank your stuff with the Money Robot tool. So with that said, I hope you got a lot of value from this video. Make sure to like, make sure to comment, make sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. Grab the book, watch the video. Those links are in the description below. And with that said,
I hope you have a great rest of your day, and thank you for watching.